Hello friends, welcome to 6th Bricks Android tutorial. Till last tutorial we had created our first project. In this tutorial we will see what are the components of a project. So this is our first project which we had created in last tutorial. As you can see that inside this project we have a folder called src, gen, Android 4.4, Android private libraries, asset, bin, libs, resources and few other files. So let's see one by one all what is there inside these folders and file. So the first folder is src. This is a folder where you will have all your Java files. Inside this folder you will have packages, and inside packages you will have one or multiple Java files. The second folder is gen. This is a folder where system or Eclipse will generate all those Java files which is automatically generated by system. You will never need to edit these files. Even if you will delete this file, like let's try to delete this file. Okay, system will generate the file once again after some time, so you can't delete these files. Whenever you will delete, system will generate all these files. So these are system generated files, so I would like you to suggest never open these folders and this folder, and don't do anything with this folder. And next is Android 4.4. This is having all the compiler and internal libraries of Android. Again, this is having some extra library for Android. Asset is something where you can keep some resources or some files. Bin is a folder where again Eclipse will generate binary files and will keep in this folder. So again you don't need to uh, handle this folder. Don't try to open and edit anything in this folder. Next is libs. Again the system, this is also system file, folder, and computer or this Eclipse will keep all the necessary files or library files inside this folder. Next comes this res folder. This is actually a resources folder. Inside this folder you will find many folders which is highly important for you. You will keep all your extra files like XML file, audio file, video file, image file, and all different type of files inside these folders. So the first folder is this drawable. All these folders are there to keep images if required inside your project. So by default you will find one image in every folder named IC underscore launcher. Next folder is layout. Inside this you will have all XML file which you will use for layout of your project or application. Menu is inside menu folder. Again you will have XML file with menu. You will inside value you will have XML file with values or variables. Similarly you have more values folder. So if you want to have more resources, you can create more folders with predefined names, and you can keep all those resources inside these folders. Okay, next we are having one file called android manifest.xml. This is a highly important file. You should not edit this file if you don't know what you are editing. So right now you can see inside this folder, inside this file we have the small code. So whenever it will be required, we will open this file and we will edit it. So for now we are having only three files which is important for us. One is main activity.java inside src folder. Second one is activity main.xml inside layout folder, and third is android manifest.xml which is inside our main file folder. So in next few tutorials we will learn how to edit these three files, or actually for first few projects we will edit only Java and XML file, not this Android manifest.xml. But after first few projects we will need to edit this file also. So for now you should have image of only these three files in your mind, so that you should know which file you are editing. So thank you for this watching this tutorial. In next tutorial we will edit our files and we will start creating some projects. Thank you.